Seedance 2.5 is live, and today I'm showing you 3 things. How to make this kind of realistic AI video 30 seconds from just one prompt. How to push it to a full minute without breaking character consistency, and how to get early access to Seedance 2.5 right now. But before any of that, quick rundown on what this model can actually do. 30-second clips in a single generation. One continuous shot, not 4 clips stitched together. Your character, lighting, and camera hold from the first frame to the last. Up to 50 reference assets in one pass. Images, videos, and audio together. Sedance 2.0 gave you 12. And video reference is the big one. Hand it a clip and it reads the cinematography and pacing, then carries it into your generation. Region-level editing, so you change one detail without regenerating the whole video. Native audio generated in the same pass. And around 20% better prompt adherence, holding fine detail like hair and small textures across every frame. Okay, now let's get you access. For early access, head over to Gen AI. This platform has early access to Sedance 2.5 with improved quality. And yes, every video you've seen on my channel was generated right here. The UI is really simple. Go to Tool Mode on the left side. Under Categories, you'll find Image, Video, Lip Sync, Audio, and other generation tools. Under Image, you get all the popular models, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, Midjourney, all of them. Same for Video, VO 3.1, Kling, Sedance 2. Click this Sedance filter, and there it is, Sedance 2.5, available right now. Select it. Here you can upload all your different reference files, and on the right, you'll see all your generated videos. Scroll down and you'll find aspect ratio, video duration up to 30 seconds, and quality at 720p. Alright, let's test something fun first. VFX fight scenes. So I uploaded my face image and pasted my prompt. And don't stress about writing prompts. Every single one is in the description link. Just focus on learning the process first. Now here's the key part. In your prompt, wherever you need to reference an image, a video, or audio, just type the @ symbol. All your uploaded files pop up in a list, you select one, and it gets tagged. That's how you hold a consistent character across an entire video. Then set your aspect ratio to 16:9, duration to 15 seconds for this one, and hit generate. And watch this result.
Seedance 2.5.
Beautiful. The quality has genuinely improved. Next up, let's make a realistic AI vlog-style video. For this, I've prepared a hotel room image and my character image. You can use your own. Just upload both, then paste the prompt. I built my prompt using Claude to save time, and you'll get all of these in the description. In the prompt, you'll see things like at image 1 and at image 2. So upload your images in the right sequence so the tagging lines up. Double-check your tags, set your duration to 30 seconds, and generate. It takes barely any time. And here's the video.
It's 7 in New York. Why am I awake?
Okay, it's actually happening. Hotel coffee, we'll fix that outside. This is as good as it gets. Let's go. Downtown first. Look at this street. Okay, that's the one. 20,000 steps, everything hurts. Same time tomorrow.
Honestly, if someone watched this without knowing, they'd never guess it's AI. Now let me show you how to extend this to a full minute. Here's what I did. I downloaded the video, trimmed it to 15 seconds, and uploaded that as a reference. Then in Claude, I just asked, can you extend this prompt to the next 30 seconds? It gave me the continuation prompt. I pasted that into Gen AI, tagged the video reference properly, set it to 30 seconds, and generated. That's it. Nothing complicated. The only thing you really need to understand is how to keep your character consistent across scenes. And the trick is simple. Use your previous generation as the reference for the next one. Now look at the result.
It's raining. Of course it's raining.
We're going anyway. $12, umbrella, 12. Okay, I'm awake now. Great, perfect. I'm so wet. This is so bad.
Awesome, right? Though you'll spot some AI glitches, the overcoat has a few issues, so you'd either cut around that or regenerate that section. Last one, the Korean girl vlog. I already posted this on my channel, and a lot of you asked for the tutorial, so here it is. I used Claude to write the prompt and generated one 30-second video. Now let's build the next 30 seconds. In Claude, I just said, extend this prompt to the next 30 seconds, and it gave me a full detailed continuation. Then I uploaded two 15-second clips, which I trimmed because I think it only accepts 15-second videos as reference. Pasted the prompt, tagged the video references properly, set aspect ratio and duration to 30 seconds, and generated. Now watch this.
오! 여보세요? 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
So that's how you get Seedance 2.5 early, make full 30-second videos in a single shot, and chain them into a full minute without losing your character. All the prompts are in the description. Go make something. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe. I'm testing this model as far as it'll go. Catch you in the next one.